Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Colorado LT. It comes equipped with its 2.7 liter turbo engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other maintenance included such as spray and bed liner, integrated brake controller, wireless charging, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling, cup holder storage at the bottom, right next to the speakers, and that's coming up here, the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome handle. You're also going to have these heated cloth bucket seats, driver adjustable lumbar, very comfortable, with your vents and brake control on the bottom. Of course, when you get in, you're going to have this fancy Chevrolet animation. We're in the showroom today, so we can't fully turn it on, so we'll just turn on the battery. All digital speedometer. For the speedometer, you can only access your music and different settings throughout the odometer. Cruise control and forward collision alert on the left. And onto the infotainment system here. Stand up. You're going to equip with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can access all your vehicle status through here, including your gauges. You're going to start to see that built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as Google Maps and My Chevrolet. Climate control at the bottom, right next to your vents, with your auto stop and lane keep assist, and your auxiliary switch, 2 USB ports, and a wireless charging pad. Of course, you're going to have the shifter, 2 and 4-wheel drive in your tow mode, of course the cup holders, and center console with more storage inside. Passenger side, manually adjustable, same heated finish. Chrome on the handle again, chrome across, speakers and vents all the way across as well. And here you can access your reading lamps as well as your OnStar and your SOS. You're going to have these 17-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Territory tires with the gray mirror caps, paint match keyless entry door handle. Coming to the back, you're going to have the corner step bumpers, trailer hitch point, and your fifth wheel with the exhaust on the side. Of course, in the Colorado, arm guard spring bed liner, built-in ruler as well, and storage inside with 4 bed tie downs. All right, moving on to the rear interior, you're going to have a speaker right next to the cup holders, power windows again. It's Colorado, don't expect too much leg room. You're going to have storage behind the passenger side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and a USB port. You got toggles on the side to lift up the seats, lamps up top, handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Colorado LT, equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine, as well as trailer brake controller, spray and bed liner, Google Assistant and Maps, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.